I want to take this opportunity on behalf of all my colleagues to condole and convey my sincere condolences to the families of the 8 people who were killed, or rather, left us in those heinous activities yesterday and last night. 6 are here, and 2 we are told later somewhere in Galmagala. These are activities that we condemn in the harshest way possible, and we are extremely disturbed and concerned. Secondly, before I read some few resolutions from the meeting, I want to appeal to the people of Garissa. Tafadhalini, I want to appeal to them to exercise restraint, to be calm, not to undertake any acts of revenge. We plead with them, we pray that there's no any revenge activities or moves undertaken. We are working very, very closely, as you can see, with the security officials and the system in the county. Na kwa hivyo tungependa watu wetu pia watupatie wasubiri as we handle these matters. The meeting, of course, we discussed a lot of things, and many more resolutions are also on the way, but for now, as a start, we've agreed on few issues that we believe are some of the causes of these skirmishes. But before I even discuss those issues, number one, our first request to the security system in the county is to seek those culprits, is to look for them. It's their responsibility to look and apprehend those culprits, those criminals who are killing our people. That is the work of the security system in the country, and they have agreed that in the shortest number of days possible, they will apprehend them. Number two, we have agreed with the security system that there will be complete disarmament. It has been mentioned that there are a lot of illegal firearms in this county, and that is a huge worry and concern for us. So we are saying, and we have agreed with the security system, that they will undertake whatever it is required to ensure that no illegal firearms will be in this county. We don't need them. We have enough headache from other sides. We don't need our people here also to add that by having illegal firearms. And in particular, we have also said they will do what is necessary to look at also into all those other aspects like NPRs and the rest, to ensure that any of those who may be involved in any activities which are derogatory, also they should be disarmed. That is on the security side. On the county side, what we have agreed is as follows. Number one, that we are putting a complete stop to gypsum mining. With effect from this Monday coming, we're not going to allow any mining to be undertaken or any vehicle carrying gypsum to cross this bridge, because gypsum has been pointed out as one of those aspects that's contributing heavily to this mayhem in the county. We have also agreed to stop quarry mining, stone quarry mining. Hii mawe ya kujenga manyumba. We will, together with the security system, we will look into really where the trouble is occurring, and we will properly do what is required to stop this stone quarrying where the trouble is occurring, or the places where it's causing trouble. So without of course, punishing the lives of any people, we will do the necessary requirements to ensure that the stone quarrying does not also cause trouble anymore in the county. We are also putting a complete stop as a county for now to any plot allocations. Hii shida ya plots na watu kuleta mabarua za orongo fighting over plots, until further notice we are stopping any plot allocations so that we can bring sanity to that as well. Land issues are very emotive. What we are also saying, together with the security system, we will be looking into all matters to do with the land in this county so that we completely bring some sanity by stopping land cartels from operating within us and causing trouble. Finally, we have in the past we have agreed to do 2 police stations, one in Kunaso and one in Burburis area, 2 places where we have been seeing actions. So what we are saying today is that also those 2 police stations will first track them to ensure that we have enough police officers also in those 2 places.